Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about which cloud provider should we learn. Welcome to my channel. If you are planning to start cloud career, the first question is which cloud provider you should learn. In the short video, I'll walk you through top three cloud providers: AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, and that will help you choose the right one that fits your goal. First of all, we will be talking about why learn cloud computing. Let's start with the cloud computing is so important. Today, businesses are moving around in the world, and that is the cloud. And that's the huge demand for cloud certified professionals all over the world. Cloud makes companies more agile, scalable, and globally accessible. And the most important part is once you learn the cloud basics, your skills transfer across industries and the platform. In this slide, we'll talk about top cloud providers. Now, meet the big players. Amazon Web Services is the most widely used platform. In this platform, we will be talking about a lot of things which include infrastructure, automation, and machine learning as well. Apart from that, we have the second largest cloud provider is the Microsoft Azure, is the ideal for enterprise environments and the businesses all around, and that is already using Microsoft tools. The third one is Google Cloud Platform that stands out for data sciences, artificial intelligence, and analytics. So it depends. Let's overview about AWS. That AWS is the leader in the cloud. It offers massive range of services from compute to machine learning, and it has a strong global presence. If you're a developer and DevOps engineer or building startup, AWS is a fantastic place to begin. It's a really friendly user, and it has a huge community and tons of learning resources you can learn, you can see. And next thing, we will be talking about the Microsoft overview. Azure is the second largest provider and shines in the enterprise world. It's a perfect fit for companies and already used tools like Windows, Office 365, and Active Directory. Azure is also a strong option if you are looking at hybrid cloud or government compliance focused role. And it's really most easiest cloud provider which is using in the companies, and then the middle part and the middle side of the cloud provider is the second largest, and it's using most of the by enterprises and the corporations. The third option, we have the Google Cloud Platform. The Google Cloud Platform is designed for innovation and data sciences. If you love working with AI, machine learning, and Kubernetes or big data, this is a platform for you. GCP, it's called Google Cloud Platform, is also known for its powerful APIs and cost-effective pricing for developers and startups. Let's compare with the table. AWS is the largest marketplace in the grade for cloud and the general cloud and startup, and it is really good if you are looking for learning cloud infrastructures, and if you are using any services which you can collaborate or integrate with your cloud, and even if you are working on premises and you want to connect with the cloud services, that is the best option. You have the AWS. The second option is Azure. Is the best enterprises, and is the really best for enterprises, especially those already using Microsoft. I mean, if you are using servers that is already physically and you have a lot of loads and burdens, including the electricity, space, and others burdens that you are facing, so you can convert yourself to Microsoft Azure. So it will be not a big hassle for you. The third option is that GCP. It's ideal for data professionals and engineers. If you are using machine learning and related options, that you are good to go with the GCP. Which option you run? Here is the recommendations. What I'll say that if you are really good and new to cloud, to start with AWS is the most flexible and well documented. And if you are working in a corporate ID and you are really good, and you have a little background with the networking and the system as well, so you should go for Azure, and you can feel it at home. You can practice it at home, and you don't need to have work in the live environment. You can practice it with the Azure platform in the portal. So it's the same as if you want to practice on AWS. Apart from that, you have a basic concepts if you are interested in AI and data sciences, so GCP is the best match for you. So the last thought I have, no matter what platform you choose, remember this: the cloud is the best feature of ID, and the certifications that always open doors to high paying roles. The key to focus on one provider, get hands-on practice, and stay consistent. So consistency is the most beautiful and best option for you to reach the goal. The last, if you like this video, I would request you to like and comment on this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.